What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brandy and today's video is episode 2 of my styling series. Today's video, I am going to be styling 2 different coffee tables. One is going to be rectangular, which is the one right behind me. The other one is going to be a round one. This is a fall edition, but I will come back later on and do just regular later on without kind of the fall decor. So when I'm styling coffee table books, it's important to me to keep room, also practicality for it to look very well styled. So things that I like to make sure that I put on my coffee table are trays, coasters, again, leave some room. I also like to work with the shape. You'll see in the round coffee table, although it's round, I'm using square items, which I did read somewhere one time that you want to use like round trays. However, for me, I use square items, but I kept it in like almost like a round shape so that it kind of made sense and complemented the round table. The other thing that I really like to make sure to add is a candle. And I do this for 2 different reasons. You can add like a reed diffuser or, you know, like an incense burner or an oil diffuser, something like that. But the reason why I like to add candles is because I like the ambiance that a candle gives, not just the scent. So I always have a candle on my coffee table. The next favorite item that I use on my coffee table is coffee table books. I am a coffee table book crazy lady. I love them. I think that they really help with adding layers. I think that they help with adding a little bit more of a stylistic look to your coffee tables, but it also just almost gives it a finished look. It gives you, like I said, those layers. So if you have, you know, items on top of the coffee table books, it's going to elevate it, almost, you know, make it stand out more than just having things flat laid out. I think that that just looks too flat. It looks undone. For whatever reason, once you add coffee table books, it looks like it was styled by a stylist. It really gives it that completed look. Another thing that I love to do is just add my own twist. You're gonna see this little pot back here behind me. I just put in a couple of tapered candles in there. And for me, I just liked the way this looked. It has 0 purpose. There's no rhyme or reason for it, but I just like the way it looks. And I think it's really important to add your own twist and things that you love to your coffee table. Also, if you do different things like the little vessels or trays, things like that, you can always put your remotes in those and you can use them for different practical reasons. I also use little, like my stone dish to put the candle on so that it doesn't get too hot on the bottom. Different things like that. I always try to add things that are stylish and pretty and very elegant and elevates the space, but that I can use as different things while it's styled that way, whether that's to put a candle on it, a remote on it. If I'm lazy and I just want to light my candles and just set it on the stone, it's not going to burn through, it's not going to be dangerous or anything like that. Another thing that you're going to see on this coffee table right here is I do have my water carafe. Now you guys have seen this water carafe on my bedside table. I also really like them on a coffee table. You can always fill up the water, you know, right before you start a movie, and then you can fill up your water. And it's just kind of practical, easy, pretty. You can use it for a lot of different things. Without further ado, let's get to styling. Okay, I wanted to show you guys, I have stuff for the coffee table styling, but also like gift guide. I'm gonna film a gift guide video that's gonna go up as well. We are getting close to the holidays, but as you guys can see, my car is stuffed. I have like 9 coffee table books right there that tripped up the seatbelt warning. So I had to listen to the dinging the whole time, but it was so annoying. But I thought, I always find it really interesting to see the behind the scenes stuff. So I thought I would show you guys a little bit because this is the mess that we go through for beautiful content. This is the first coffee table that I'm going to be styling. I am going to be doing both of them more fall themed just because it is fall right now. So I thought that that would be fun. And then I may even come back and style them again later on. So I will actually link my friend's socials down in the description because she does a lot of home and garden stuff. This is her home. If you like color, she is amazing with color. But this is the table that I'm going to be styling. And then I'll also show you the other table. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I brought over, but this is the other table that I'm going to be styling in her other living room. So I'm gonna have a rectangle coffee table and then a round coffee table.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over, we could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus.
All right, you guys, that is it for today's video. Please let me know which table you liked better in the comments down below. I will see you guys in a couple days with another video. Bye, guys.